Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's time for a shave video. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It is Sunday, and this is going to be a late upload. I've had a busy last couple of weeks, and I feel like I've just been beat down repetitively. And I've been getting back up. It's a struggle. Okay, so I have a confession to make. I broke down and bought something, so my buying freeze halted because I bought this beautiful brass Meta4 razor, which I already have loaded with a Gillette super thin, and this is from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. And I know that I had the stainless steel one and I sold it, but since this one was brass, I really love the brass and copper look, so I wanted to give it another shot. Today's shave soap is going to be, again, by PAA, and this is Clubman. Now, I know you guys probably all know the scent of this because it is a nice classic take of the nice classic scent Clubman. And I'll be using that for my aftershave splash. I do have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. And I went to grab my green Trotters Handcraft brush, and I realized that it's a little bit more of a teal instead of like a green mossy tone, but it's going to work for the shave. Let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number one. Anything new in your shave world? If so, comment below and let me know. Got some stuff that we got to do today that is out of my normal routine. And, you know, like I said, there's other things been going on, so everything's been off for me for the last couple weeks. All right, I'm ready to go with pass number one with the green. I have 3 days worth of growth. Missed out on my Friday shave. And this is definitely a nice mild razor. I would say this could be a everyday shaver with no issue. Just not as close as some of the more aggressive razors, but you know, there's multiple passes you can do. And if you put a milder blade in there, it's going to be even more mild. So this was my attempt to put a really sharp blade in there, or a little bit more aggressive blade. To help combat the mildness of this razor. I don't know what it is about this razor versus the prismatic. I feel like the prismatic is a little bit more aggressive or a little bit more effective. Just gives a closer shave. And the main difference that I can see is the tabs are covered up on this particular razor, as you can see here. And so the edge of the blade is not quite sticking out, or the corner, I should say. But when you take the two base plates and set them on the table where they're both flush, it seems like the geometry is the same. Now, I tried to put the top cap of the prismatic razor on the Meta4 razor, and it would not go on there because the posts that hold the blade in place are a little bit longer on the Meta4. And I need to try to go the other way around to see. But like I said, it seems like they're almost identical when it comes to that. But they give different shaves. All right, pass number 2 across the grain. And something I may try is the shimming technique. Maybe up the blade gap a little bit more and see if that makes any difference. And it may not, but it's worth a shot. My eyes today. There's a lot of tree pollen floating around. Normally that gets my sinuses, but for some reason my eyes have been a little bit more irritated. All right, you know what? I forgot to get my star jelly out. Although I could probably do another pass, I'm going to refrain. So let me get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. I am back and I'm going to use the ice cube for my post-shave routine. Let me make sure I get all the melted water out. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, and I need to dry off with the old Lancaster black sheep towel. That ice is very refreshing. Okay, and I'm going to give the Pinaud a little shake here. And the restrictor on that is not very big, but it does come out in a hurry. And you can definitely tell that the, I won't really say the scent, but there is a different scent to this. And I know right off the bat, you can't see in here, but the alcohol that they use in that is a little bit the cheaper end of the alcohol, so it doesn't have that nice, clean, no alcohol scent, if you know what I mean. And I did remember to grab the star jelly while I was doing my rinse, because I do need a little bit of menthol. What a nice shave. Yep. All right, well, that's going to be my shave for the day. I'll put a little photo right here of everything I used, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend.